Atlanta, Georgia, United States, January 11, 2025. A winter storm warning went into effect at 5 a.m., and reports of sleet and snowflakes soon followed, starting west of the city. By 6 a.m., many residents around Metro Atlanta and North Georgia were sending photos and videos of snow and ice to Fox 5 Atlanta. By 7 a.m., snow was falling heavily in Midtown Atlanta, and by 8 a.m., roads were closed in Buckhead. Shortly before 9 a.m., Fox 5 Atlanta's Deidre Dukes reported that the wintry mix had turned into a steady snowfall in Cherokee County. By 1:30 p.m., the snow appeared to have mostly stopped, but that didn't signal the end of the precipitation in Metro Atlanta and North Georgia today. As of now, more than 2,800 flights have been canceled nationwide, causing chaos in air travel. Atlanta Patch reported, as of 2 p.m., more than 900 flights to or from the Atlanta airport had been canceled or delayed. More than 100,000 homes lost power Friday, according to poweroutage.us. More than 50,000 homes were without power as of 10 a.m. Saturday. The outages were primarily centered in Metro Atlanta, with about 15,000 out in Fulton, 10,000 in DeKalb, 10,000 in Gwinnett and nearly 6,000 in Clayton.
Look, you can't do that with yourself. Look.
For the kids, anyway.
Local officials continued to urge drivers to stay off the roads in Atlanta as crews worked to clear ice and snow. If people must drive, they should do so slowly and watch for downed trees, debris and other obstacles in the roadway. Black ice is also a concern for drivers. Wind gusts of 20 to 25 miles per hour are expected in Metro Atlanta on Saturday, with stronger gusts in the mountains, according to the National Weather Service.
We're not going to be happy. They got this one right. The staff is going home either.
Look, I'm skating!
doesn't look like I'm going home today.
View was just completely covered with snow, and
I think it's deadly for drivers, but
it's turning to slush out here. It's a mess, so if you're out
Winds could knock down icy branches, limbs and power lines, possibly leading to more power outages. Some light freezing precipitation is possible Monday morning along the I-20 corridor, which could cause slippery spots during the morning commute. A state of emergency remains in effect in Georgia through Tuesday.
However, the roads are drivable. Mayor Andre Dickens,
now, what's happening now is we're getting this really cold rain.
Feel me? You hear me? Yeah, like a virgin.
So he made sure we was good. Like they was prepared. Like to see the
What up, people? What up, people? This is the first time I'm having snow like this. Oh man, it's so crazy, man. Come on now.